I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken wings. And guess what? We're using an air fryer. The three. This is easy. You batter your chicken. Once you put your flour and your seasoning on it, you put it in the air fryer. Once it's in the air fryer, you set it. You come back after halfway cooking it. You know, you look at it, spray some cooking oil on the spots that has the flour on there that didn't all the way cook. Then you can rotate it over, put it back in for the remainder of the time, and let it be. So in 20 minutes, you got crispy chicken wings. It's just like going out and buying it at a fast food restaurant. And when I say crispy, I mean crispy. So with no further ado, let's get it.